Hello friends! Welcome to episode 5 of Indie Para sa Lahat. My name is RJ, your usual host. Today on episode 5, it's a different episode. A different style, if you will. Different in all the good ways. Today, we'll be premiering a single from Agawagimat. That's one. And also, we'll be having a live recording of our special guest, Jer Oka, and of course his song Tunay. Again, it's such a honor and a privilege to having these guests and premiering these songs. Hindi Para sa Lahat is still in its infancy, and thank you so much for thinking of us guys. But before we begin all the good stuff, let me get some things out of the way. Before we begin, of course, I want to let you know what Big House PH is all about, just in case you're new to the channel. We want you to get I guess we want to send out an alarm about Big House PH. So please share, like, follow, subscribe, all those good things to Big House PH. We are trying to build a community of artists, artists and fans who love supporting bands, and of course the independent music lifestyle. What's the independent music lifestyle? Well, I guess it's more on ownership and freedom. If you, as an artist, feel that you have control of your destiny, of your music, and do not answer to anyone else, then you are definitely independent. If you own your music, you're independent. If you can decide where you want to play your music, for example, asking a podcast or a video podcast to premiere your song, that's freedom. Again, we are a community. We are still growing. We're at around 120, 130 right now. Let's get those numbers up. Let's spread the word. Like I said, let's help each other. Tulong-tulong tayo. Let's build and partner with other communities as well. Hindi tayo, we're just not one community. We're other prods, other productions. We're open to that. Remember that we are here to support the independent Filipino music movement, whatever it may be. We don't. We're all inclusive. So again, Big House PH is here to support that movement. Like I always talk about in the past episodes, I have been a strong advocate of the independent Filipino music scene. Ever since I heard, I was hearing about the exploitation of labels of local artists. So it's kind of messed up to hear about bands not owning their songs after signing with labels. I heard that these are old contracts, but I still believe that there are still some that exist now. So we're trying to make the artists independent, to be on their own, to be able to thrive on their own and thrive on their own. So we need to get, like I said my last Facebook post, we need to get hyper local. What is hyper local? We need to be more Filipino music based. Let's listen to more Pinoy music, and then of course, if you have Western songs that you like, that's your taste. Everything it's relative. That's your taste in music. But let's give the local music scene and the local bands and artists a listen. We have such an amazing scene. These are all worth our ears and worth our support. Like this song premiere, Agawagimat has been around since the 90s. Kasabay namin yan in the 90s. I don't know kung nagkasabay kami sa mga ibang gigs, but I'm sure sa mga NU107 events, nagsama kami. Again, so off and on, they've been around since the 90s. I believe this is their fourth iteration of the band. But again, they've never left. They're always supporting the scene. If I'm right, mayroon silang punk show before sa Jam 88.3 called the Punk Connection. Sorry. They also, of course, release music. They sell merch. This is their merch line. So I bought this, hindi to sponsor. And then of course, They have a Bandang X production which supports and showcases mga 90s bands, such as, well, hopefully we get to play with them one of these days. So without further ado, Agaw Agimat, their new single, Mamatay Ka Sa Inggit, premiering on Indie Para Sa Lahat.
Wala kang magawa sa araw-araw, laging nakabantay sa kilos kong galaw. Sa mga post ko, ikaw'y nakaabang, ikaw ang unang nakakaalam. Di ka na makatulog, hindi na rin makakain. Ang mundo mo'y umiikot sa akin, mukha ka ng praning aning. Malala na ang iyong sakit, dahil walang gamot sa inggit. Di ka mamamatay sa sakit, mamamatay ka sa inggit. Mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay ka sa inggit. Mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay ka sa inggit. Ang lungkot ng buhay mo, di ka marunong makontento. Kasiyahan ko siyang inggit mo, ang inggit mo siyang papatay sa'yo. Di ka na makatulog, hindi na rin makakain. Ang mundo mo'y umiikot sa akin, mukha ka ng raning-aning. Malala na ang iyong sakit, dahil walang gamot sa inggit. Di ka mamamatay sa sakit, mamamatay ka sa inggit. Mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay 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 ka sa inggit. Nag-uumapaw sa inggit, puro ka hinanakit. Sa panlalait, kumakapit, lalo kang pumapakit. Mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay ka sa inggit. Mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay ka sa inggit. Mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay ka sa inggit. Mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay ka, mamatay ka.
There you go. Mamatay Ka Sa Inggit by Agaw Agimat. Salamat to Boss Renmin and Boss Wendy. Thank you for thinking of us. Indie Para Sa Lahat is more than, I guess, what could you say? Through the roof to premiere your song. If you noticed, for those who are new to this channel, if you notice the QR codes, not barcode, the QR codes, they will take you to links that are pertinent to the band, or for example, this one will take you to the website of Big House PH. When we played the song of Agaw Agimat, they will take you to their website. Maraming silang mga gigs. They're such a busy band. So please check out the website and their socials for their current schedule. Agaw Agimat, more power. We'll see you guys soon. Hopefully, we did play Republicats last few episodes ago. Please think of us when you have more songs. Maraming salamat ulit to Agaw Agimat. Next on the docket, another special thing we're gonna do for the episode is we have a special guest also, a live guest who will be playing his song. Well, you know what? It's not exactly live. We recorded it live. Like I said, medyo I want to do change things up a bit. Every now and then sa Hindi para sa lahat, especially showcasing live the bands playing their music live. So JR Oka and the JR Oka Experience being part of Big House PH, he is a director. We also interviewed him after playing his song. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to play his song Tunay, which he played in the first episode of Indie Para sa Lahat. Then we'll talk about it after. So this is JR Oka Experience with Tunay on Indie Para sa Lahat.
Isang sulyap lang galing sa'yo nang tumibo kung puso ko. Pagmamahal ang lumikaw at gumawa ng hiling na kay namin. Awit ng pag-ibig, himig na kay lamig. Awit ng pag-ibig. Sadya nga bang nandito ka? O milagro na nagbibiro, manganganta, Diyos sa kaba na gumawa ng himig na kay lamig. Awit ng pag-ibig, himig na kay lamig. Awit ng pag-ibig. Kay tagal ko nang naghihintay, dumating ang liwanag sa aking buhay. Ikaw ang biyaya ng may kapal, ang gusto ko ay ang hanap sang himig na malamig sa iyong pangdinig. Ang hanap sang himig na malamig sa iyong pangdinig. Ang hanap sang himig na malamig sa iyong pangdinig. Ang hanap sang himig na malamig sa iyong pangdinig. Ang hanap sang himig na malamig sa iyong pangdinig.
GR OK Experience with Tunay. Malamig, ang lamig. One of my favorite songs from their catalog. That was JR Oka, of course, on guitars and vocals. Jazz Dufort on percussions, backup vocals, and whistling. If there's such a thing as ano tawag dun? Whistle envy. I wish I could whistle as good as Jazz does. And of course, thank you to Carl behind the board, recording live here at Indie Para Sa Lahat. For those who don't know, the song Tunay and the JR OK Experience can be purchased as an NFT. Did you know that? I bet you didn't. Well, you can just go to stanable.com. That's stanable.com and search for Big House PH, and we'll take you to our page, and you can buy the JR OK Experience Tunay on an NFT, like an NFT version. Please do check out Stanable. Shout out to Harry. Thank you for supporting Big House PH. More on Web3 as well. If you are a Web3 enthusiast and you have a Web3 wallet, stay tuned to the end of the show where we have a QR code POAP giveaway. So QR code, get a POAP of this episode, and you'll get a Indie Para Sa Lahat hat for Philippines only. But if you're from abroad, pay for the shipping, we'll give you the hat. So again, stay till later. We'll have the QR code POAP giveaway. And again, thank you, JR Oka. After that, we sat down in Zoom in separate rooms, and we discussed the JR Oka Experience past and future. And of course, JR Oka gets to choose two songs from the independent indie movement. So he chose two songs from two friends of his. So please, let's check out the interview now. Indie Para Sa Lahat. Okay, hello. Hi, JR. Welcome to Indie Para Sa Lahat. Thanks for joining us. For those who don't know, JR is also part of Big House PH. And of course, he should be the first guest of the show. Welcome, JR. You look familiar. Where have I seen you before?
Around
Around the back. Oh, well, we're going to start the interview. So my first question to you is, briefly, as brief as you can, what is the JR Oka Experience?
JR Oka Experience is a mix of pogi jazz and funk and everything nice.
Pogi jazz? Ano yung pogi jazz?
Wala, ayoko kasi sabihin na fusion. Basta ayoko sabihin na jazz eh. Marami halo-halo kasi, pero mas more on fusion kami.
Pero ang hindi ka nag-start sa jazz. What was your first?
Hindi.
What is your first influence?
Una kong pinakinggan Guns N' Roses muna, syempre.
So Slash ka?
Yan ang una kong Slash. Ang unang idol ko.
Is that
Bago
the reason?
pa naging mga...
Is that the reason why you chose guitar?
Yeah, yes. Isa na yon. Tapos kasi nga, nung I was young, mga 13 ako, may nagdala ng guitar dun sa bahay namin. Tapos na-mesmerize ako sa tinitipat lang ganun. Tapos parang na-hypnotize ako sa tunog niya. Parang kinakausap niya ako, ganun. Tapos yun, na-in-love na ako sa gitara.
Okay, and then so ano yung first song na
Yung first song na kinapa ko
yung first intro kasi usually intro ang di ba? Ano bang unang intro?
Ang unang kong inaral, Daga, D-A-G-A. I used to love her ng Guns N' Roses. Yun ang unang-una sa lahat. Kasi so, yun naman, lahat halos naman marami akong kilala na halos, ewan ko but usually lahat ng usually nag-umpisa sa Daga.
Sa D-A-G-A.
Yes.
Okay, tapos first, kasi since we are supporting the indie music scene, starting when you started out, ano ba mga first experience mo being an independent, first gig? Ano ba experience mo in yung first gig mo?
First gig ko nakakatawa kasi ang first gig ko sa gay contest dito sa San Juan eh. Kulang lang patuloy kami ng kamatis. Hindi ko malilimutan yun eh. Pero, syempre, lahat naman nagdadaan sa ganun eh.
Pero but 13 years old ka nag-start. Ano yung age mo, yung first gig mo? 14, 15, ganun? O,
15.
nag-gig ka agad, ha?
Na,
Ano yung feeling mo? Ano yung feeling mo yung first gig mo? Yung,
sobrang nervyos. Kala ko imatayin ako.
a lot of people are saying that
Papisan pati legs ko.
yung nervous na rin, hindi raw nawawala yun kahit na ilan years na
Ay.
naglalaro. Is that true?
Yung sa iba eh, ako wala na eh. Ako
Wala.
excited na akong lagi na akong naglo-look forward sa tugtog, hindi na ako kinakabahan eh. Parang kasi lagi natural na lang sa akin parang natural na lang kasi sa akin eh. I do it almost always na eh. So
How often do
nasanay
you
na.
gig? How often does Jer Okay experience gig?
Depende rin eh. Right
May
now,
provincial
medyo
ka, no?
kami siya. So,
Oo.
Hmm?
May provincial ka, di ba?
meron ako tomorrow sa Surigao, del Norte. And yun,
Nice.
nagkatatapos lang ng tour namin. Nagtutour kami ngayon. Yung nag-start kami nung April sa Rizal Leg. So Baguio, Baler. Tapos bukas Surigao. Tapos meron kaming Subic at saka Bicol na linuluto.
Busy, that's good. Very, very good. So, can you say that the music scene is thriving or it's getting better these
Ngayon,
past
mas
few
maganda na ulit.
after
kasi
pandemic?
Oo, ngayon okay na siya uli. Kasi pati sa kitaan medyo bumalik na eh.
Oh, good.
Di
Alam mo,
tulad ng
that's a good pag-usapan natin yan after we introduce yung first song. Okay, since Jer Oka is our host in the show, he gets to decide what indie song to play. Right now, he's going to be playing from two artists. Jer, introduce naman your first song.
Okay, the first song is from a band from Baler, Aurora, which is yung isang member is a very, very close friend of ours.
Classmate.
Classmate mo, si Boss Roy Angara. Meron siyang band ng pangalan Pepsi ni Deo. So, bakit ko sila napili? Unang recording nila to, pero gustong-gusto ko yung tunog nila kasi mala Beatles sila. And sobrang sarap nilang kasama kasi mga Island Boys eh. So,
Baler
sobrang
Boys.
okay. Mga Baler Boys.
Ano
So,
yung song?
ang name ng song ay Rosas na Walang Bango.
Okay.
Yun. Pakinggan natin, mga kapatid.
Tao po! Pwede pong manligaw.
Mamimitas sa may kanto, mga rosas na walang bango. Lahat ito'y bibigay, buwan at araw iaalay sa'yo. Ikaw lang ang buhay, ikaw lang ang aking mamahalin. Ikaw lang ang aking iibigin. Sa ibang babae di na ako titingin, pagkat ikaw lang ang aking bituin. Mga lihim na pangako sa dagat mapapako. Lahat ito'y aalay, buwan at araw ibibigay sa'yo. Kahit ang buhay sa ulam napapasok. Lahat ito'y aalay, buwan at araw ibibigay sa'yo. Ikaw lang ang buhay, ikaw lang ang aking mamahalin, ikaw lang ang aking ibigin. Lahat ng gusto mo'y aking susundin. Sa ibang babae di na ako titingin, pagkat ikaw lang ang aking bituin. Pagkat ikaw lang ang aking bituin. Pagkat ikaw lang.
Okay. Okay yun ah. Rosas na
Na walang bango.
ano yun?
Parang kalapating mababa ang lip padandatingan
Yun
ng mga
na.
title.
So, that's a good question to ask sila Roy if you get to interview them. Alam ba nila that they're being played
Yes.
today?
Yes,
That's
yes,
right.
actually.
Good.
Oo nga pala. Andito siya ngayon sa Manila eh.
Okay.
Nagsa-thank you siya. Sabi niya kanina, thank you daw. So, hopefully, we'll see more of them sa
Oh!
future and
Send
marami
us,
pang gig.
send us your gig schedule para ma-shoutout natin.
Mm.
Since sa GR, you mentioned yung kitaan, mas okay na yun as compared to before.
Yes, kasi nung pandemic, ang nangyari, nag-ano siya eh. Biglang
No.
parang namatay yung Excel.
Prior ng pandemic, okay pa rin or
Okay naman, okay na. Well,
okay.
depende kasi sa kuya eh. Ako kasi, miski pa paano, okay na yung kita ko.
So, what about yung mga starting out?
Yun ang medyo nakakalungkot doon.
Wow.
Lalo na dito sa Manila kasi may mga hindi talaga tamang nababayaran dito ng mga musiko. But
Alam mo,
not like other places like
Yes.
like Pampanga, Kamsur. Meron silang tarifa. Boracay meron na rin. Actually part ako ng union ng mga musicians sa Boracay eh.
ganun.
Isang union doon. Yes, kami nila Art Strong ang sila yung nagtayo. Well, tinutulong lang ako sa
That's good.
Actually, yun ang maganda kasi at least doon may asking price. Kung guys sa musikerong Kapampangan, pag sinabi nilang 1,000, lahat ng musikero nila 1,000. Nung araw pa yung 1,000 yun, 90s pa 1,000 na yan eh.
iba na yung 1,000 yan.
Nakakalungkot na parang iba kasi may mga again, pag sinabi ko na naman to, baka may magsabi na naman kasi may pera akong musikero. Hindi yun yung point eh.
Ano yung point?
Ang
Sige,
point
go
kasi
ahead. What
dapat-
is the point?
The point is dapat magtulong-tulong tayo. Wag tayo pumayag na i-lowball tayo, i-downgrade. Kasi lagi ang kasabihan ko, if you want good music, you have to pay for it.
Correct.
Gusto mo magandang music.
Naalala ko dati uso yung exposure pero hindi na yata uso yun ngayon.
Kumbaga sa film, overexposed na tayo eh. Kumbaga, ang pagtutugtog naman natin, hindi naman isang araw lang marunong ka eh. It
Pero-
took time.
For example,
Oo
ikaw,
naman.
starting out, I'm sure naman may mga non-paying gigs ka when you were first starting out.
Oo naman.
Oo.
Until now, I still do those pro
Oo.
bono gigs.
Oh.
But, sa management ko kasi, pumapayag naman sila na do like twice a month na pro bono gigs para sa benefit. Kaya benefit shows, pwede naman. Wala namang problema eh.
Hindi, halimbawa, kung
Kumbaga-
mga starting out ng mga banda, of course, it's also part
Oo
of
naman.
getting
You have
out
to start-
there. Oh.
Maganda talaga mag-umpisa ka sa ganon. It's part eh. Pero ako kasi, nagpo-prod ako kapag nag-prod kasi ako, hindi ako pumapayag na kahit konti walang ma-take home yung artist kahit nag-uumpisa yan. Nagbibigay
yun.
ako kahit konti, kahit gas money. Kasi gusto ko kahit honorarium meron. Kasi alam ko yung pinagdadaanan ng musiko, na pagdaanan ko yun eh. Ayun, yung struggle.
Hindi ako familiar sa prods na yon, but I'm sure naman everyone has their small little, di ba?
Well, ako lang.
Oo.
Ganun ang panito ko. Hindi ko sinasabi na dapat gayahin ng lahat, but kung po pwede sana, kasi, di ba, ang sarap ng nakakatulong ka rin eh, at the same time, share mo na, natutulungan mo silang mabigyan ng gigs, tapos nakakatulong ka pang onti sa kanila.
Pero maganda din dyan also is the variety of music now. Ikaw, for example, sa Fusion Jazz, there are also, like, from doing the show, I've met may grunge pa nga na eksena eh.
Madami.
Kaya nga, so I keep on using that word whenever I do the show. Nakakatuwa na the scene is thriving. Ang the only
Buhay.
buhay.
Hindi totoo yun. Di ba dati may nagsabi OPM is dying? Hindi totoo yun. Nagpahinga lang. Mamamatay yung OPM, imposible yun.
Comforting to hear, especially pag sa ginagawa natin sa Big House, PH, and of course sa indie para sa lahat. That's our focus, right? To stay hyper-focused and local. Speaking of that, sino ba ang next song mo? Give me I listened to the song eh. Ang ganda ng kanta na to, and it's a Motown. Motown siya.
Yep.
Oh.
Yon na nga. So itong next ko na artist sa pinili is a very, very close friend of mine too. Naggitara rin na. Well, sometimes lumaraket kaming dalawa nito ni Marga J. So mula to kay Marga J sa original niya. Bakit siya napili ko? Sobrang idol ko tong babaeng to. Alam niya yon. Ka-birthday ko pa yan. May 24 kami parehas.
Okay.
Dahil ko sinasabi sa kanya yan every time na idol ko siya. Sobrang nung una ko pa lang siya nakilala.
Hindi sila. They're in the outfit.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Galing.
So, at si Marga, mas bata sa akin yan, pero ang dami kong natututunan sa kanya, lalo na pagdating sa mga itong mga tour ko, yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon, actually, mga formula ni Marga to eh, kung paano siya, paano siya madami rin ako natututunan sa kanya. And he's a really, really good singer. Yun na. Puso, kumbaga. Sobrang sarap. Yun. Kasi sabi ko nga, may kasabihan nga ako, music, hindi naman pagalingan eh, pasarapan yan. So, itong next song na napili ko, title nito, Pusok at Kape. Mula sa idol ko, si Marga J.
Alright.
Hanggang natin, mga kapatid.
May gagawin ka ba? Mamaya na yan. Ano bang hinahabol?
and Marga J. That was really an
Grabe,
awesome
grabe.
song. Saan na,
Napakahusay,
wala kang,
napakahusay.
saan na-record yun, GR? Where was it recorded? May idea ka?
Hindi ako sigurado pero
Galing na recording.
Sorry, excuse me.
Ang galing ng recording, mahusay.
Galing. At yung mga kabanda rin niya, mahuhusay yan. Sila Gabe, sila EK.
Man. Shout out to
Galing.
the whole band. Well, also, if you can send us their gigs, that'd be nice. Kung,
Okay.
Okay,
So,
JR, so
yun
what
na.
about you? What's the future of the JR Oka experience?
More gigs to come. Of course, a new single coming out. Hopefully by August, magre-record kami.
Ay, wait, sorry. Can we talk about Tunay also? The song we played today.
Oh yes.
What was the theme or when you wrote the song? Ano ba yung... Sorry, let me to cut you off, sorry.
Okay lang. I wrote Tunay dito sa mismong house ko. Couple of, siguro mga 2 years, 3 years ago. Hindi pa. Sorry. 2016 siguro, nasulat ko yung Tunay. I was supposed to release that. It was supposed to be a reggae song for Trop Def. Because
Pwede.
naging part ako ng Trop Def sa mga hindi nakakaalam.
Pwede.
Yun. Shout out sa Tropical Depression. So yun. It was supposed to be a reggae song pero hindi natuloy. So ginawa ko na medyo parang Lenny Kravitz yung
Very
feel.
Smooth nga siya eh.
Yep. Tapos, wala pa yung last part eh. Yung ang hanap, wala pa yun eh. Ginawa ko muna yung pinaka-song kasi tungkol siya sa ang song talaga, ang ibig sabihin nun, para siyang na in love sa kapwa niyang musikerong babae.
May story na pala yun.
Meron.
Kasi-
Kasi may storya talaga. So,
Okay.
yung siguro ka, na-in love ka sa na musikero din na babae. Yun, na humanga ka talaga. It's about that.
Great song. Good
Tapos,
song. One of my favorites.
Tapos, meron ako nagawa na yung last part nga, yung ang hanap sang himig na malamig sa yung pangdinig. That came up late na. Bigla na lang nagigitara ako. Ay, pwede ko ipasok to dito Yun, pinagsama ko. Ibang song dapat yun eh.
Okay.
Ibang song dapat yun. Kasi
It's a-
sabi ko parang dapat pag pinagsama.
Oo.
Yun, maraming may gusto na kanta na yan dahil dun sa part na yun.
It's a very cool na part yun eh. Cool yung
Mm.
part yun. So,
Yun.
JR, before we know, saan yung mga gigs mo, upcoming gigs?
Okay, itong July 22 will be at the Pulutan Festival sa CCP together with Brown Man Revival, POT, Cosmic Scala, and nakalimutan ko yung isang kasama but
Oo.
4 bands and us, the Zero Oka Experience. It's called the Pulutan Festival. Maraming pulutan doon, masaya. So please, pag may time kayo, pumunta kayo. And on August 4 will be at Landos in BF Parañaque for an offshore
Landos.
gig. Landos sa
Okay.
BF.
Okay.
And sa August 5 will be at Toda Madre in Poblacion. Sa ngayon, yun pa lang.
Alright.
And hopefully, mga provincial, provincial mga gigs para sa tour namin for the album tour.
Alrighty. Thank you, JR, for your time. Salamat. Para
Thank you,
yung
thank you.
t-shirt natin. Para yung
Hindi,
t-shirt.
ako. Less is more ako. Less fall.
Okay, man. Thank you for your time and thanks, JR, and thank you for playing your song on Hindi Para Sa Lahat. Thanks, JR.
Thank you. And more power. Please support. Supportahan natin ang tunay na musikang Pilipino. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, JR Oka, for your time and talent. Thank you for introducing to us those two new artists, Pepsi and Deo and Marga J. Amazing artists. Thank you so much. Also for playing for us, Tunay. Great song. Also to Agaw Agimat, salamat for letting us premiere your new song. Good luck to all the bands in their future endeavors. That's it, guys. Episode 5 in the books. wow, we've done 5 already. We are still continuing to build and continue to grow. Again, please, QR code. There you go, QR code. Take you to our sites. Like, follow, subscribe, thumbs up, everything. All those good things, those all help. Of course, spread the word. And if you are an artist or a band, send us your music. We'll give it a listen. We're very, very lucky that we have a lot of bands and artists lined up in succeeding episodes. A lot of music out there, a lot of OPM music. We are very, very grateful that we're able to play all of these songs for you. Again, shortly after I speak, there will be a QR code coming up for the POAP QR code giveaway. You can win a POAP and, of course, the Indie Para sa Lahat trucker hat. We also have merch coming up soon. So please check out our Facebook for that. We gotta do what we gotta do, guys. Like you also as bands, gotta do what you gotta do to continue doing what we love. So again, thank you again so much for tuning in, either live, recorded, Spotify. We appreciate all the support and your ears. Again, Hyperlocal. Salamat ulit. Till the next episode. Hindi Para sa Lahat. Thank you so much, guys.